Hello students, welcome back. In this session, under your first chapter, that is crop protection and management, we are going to discuss regarding weeds and how to protect the crop plants from the weeds. This is the fifth step of agricultural practices. Up to fourth steps of agricultural practices we have already covered, we have already completed in last sessions. Just we start. What are weeds? What are weeds? Firstly, we will understand regarding weeds. The weeds are unwanted, undesirable plants which grow just with the germination of seeds. And by this way, they start competing with the actual crop plants. Certain common weeds which grow in our country in crop fields are grass, gentium, gentium, amaranthus, amaranthus, and parthenium. These are the common. These are the common weeds which grow in our country. They compete with the actual crop plants by occupying the space, by absorbing the nutrients and water from the soils. And as they occupy the space, the actual crop plants does not get sufficient sunlight, sufficient space to grow, and as they absorb the nutrients and water, the actual plants do not get the proper amount of the nutrients and water from the soil. So it is quite essential to remove the weeds from the crop plants. Here just we understood the definition of weeds. Now we will discuss how to remove the weeds from the crop plants. That means methods to remove weeds from crop field. In our country, mainly the weeds are removed or killed by two ways. First is physical methods. Physical methods. Commonly, farmers of our country use certain type of agricultural implement like khurpa or khurpi. First implement. Second, arrow. Third, hoe. Regarding hoe, we have already discussed the structure of hoe. We have discussed in last session. These are the agricultural implements which are mainly used to remove the weeds from the crop fields by physical methods. Manually, the laborers or farmers use these implements to remove the weeds from the crop fields. And second method is chemical methods. Chemical methods. Certain type of chemical substances are used or sprayed in the crop fields to kill the weeds. Those type of the substance, chemical substance, are called as weedicides. You note down. This is very important term. Weedicides or herbicides. The chemical substance which are used to kill the weeds are called as weedicides or herbicides. The common weedicides or herbicides used in our country are 2,4-D, 2,4-D and benthicarbamide. And third one is butachlor. This 2,4-D is very effective and common herbicides. Its full form is 2,4-D dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Just I am writing here the name of this chemical substance. 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Its full form is this. You note down. This is very important and common herbicides and weedicides which is used in our country to kill the weeds. Thus here we discuss the methods. Two methods are commonly used in our country to kill the weeds or remove the weeds from the crop fields, because it is essential to remove the weeds because they compete with the crop plants, they occupy the space and unnecessarily they absorb the nutrients in soil. So the farmers use physical and chemical methods to kill them or remove them. By this way, we completed this fifth step, which is quite essential for the proper development of the crop plants. In next session, we will discuss the harvesting and storage. In same session, next session, we will complete this chapter. And we will cover the harvesting and the storage, and by this we will complete this chapter in next session. You please link with our YouTube channel and get benefited. There are number of videos pertaining to other subjects also. You also share videos of our institute to your friends and subscribe our channel and get benefited, as well as you also help us in promotion of our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.